It's not that I can't afford seafood, but Cabbage's got better value. Made this dish so many times at home. Really tasty, this dish here. Since I was little, my mom, my dad and all. I'm serious. My grandma made this since I was small. We didn't have money back then. Just stir-fried cabbage, cut some fatty pork, toss it in. Now that life's better, I still want to recreate this dish, but we'll use finer ingredients. Cabbage pork shoulder, pork belly, dried chilies, Thai chili, cilantro, scallions, ginger, garlic. For this cabbage, we'll use the front half. This cabbage looks great. Yellow heart, right? We can make lots of things with these leaves. This length's about right. I'll remove this middle, this core here. When we cut, we need to cut along the grain. Can include a few leaves. Don't need to be. Pure stems, cut a bit wider. Not too narrow. I can see your knife skills. That's how my grandma did it, cut it just like this. Old Bike cuts it this way too, right? Good. We'll use what's left for tomorrow's fisherman's meal. This part's done. Let me cut more meat. Pork belly adds flavor. It's for the aroma, 'cause pork belly's layered fat and meat. Fat and meat layers, so we need the fat from here. The lean meat's for cutting into strips we'll eat. This part here. Some people, to make the meat tender. Add some ginger if you like. We don't need any of that. Just recreate the original. That old lady didn't know about ginger. Right, brother? Scallion, ginger, garlic, cilantro wrap. Small hot peppers. Rust flour. Now we heat the pan. Add some oil. First step, sear the pork belly. We'll render out the fat. This pork loin strips. Pork loin strips, cut it in and sear together. Mix the oil, add a bit of lard. This is to enhance the aroma. I'll add just enough, add a bit of sun center. Second uncle. First some rice wine and soy sauce. Good. Soy sauce. Good. Black pepper. This dark soy's for. We'll adjust the color. Make it look nice. Alright, sure, let's take this out now. Next step. Stir fry the cabbage, big brother. Now we add some lard. We've got some peppercorns here. Let's stir fry on low heat. We gotta take it out to get some flavor. Onion, ginger, garlic, put them in and stir. Done, all set. Chili peppers. After frying, add the cabbage. Add a bit of sugar. Season it up. Good. Add some chicken powder. Some white pepper for flavor. Oh no, ruined it. Good wine. Here. Put this soup here, goes in. Use this soup to fry this. Keep it crispy. Don't stack too high. Now we add the meat. Perfect dish. Best. Done, add chili. Some fun. Homemade style. Good. All cabbage. Cabbage flavor cabbage is super crisp. And it's sweet. Look at this pork strips. Tender, not mushy. You didn't coat them either. No coating, just stir fry directly. But what's this called? This is dry fragrance. Dry fragrance doesn't mean no moisture. It's relative. The veggies and meat taste great. But the best part, one thing, is Taking that braised pork liquid with that good soy flavor, pour it on the cabbage and keep stir frying. Works really well. Both meats turn out perfect. Look at that chili heat. Not too spicy, mellow heat. What's key about this dish? It's got great freshness too. Make this at home properly, really delicious. Classic flavors, passed down through time. Like, follow, share, don't forget. Remember to eat well, my little foodies.